Other than having an unfortunate run-in with a cartoon character, the question becomes, how can you create a YouTube channel without showing your face? I get this question a lot, so let's talk about it. Whether it's because you don't want to put on makeup or you feel more confident when you're not at the center of attention, we've got ideas for you. So pay attention to this video and we'll show you how. In today's video, we'll talk about the advantages to being a faceless YouTuber. We'll also talk about why your whiteboard is your best friend. And we'll talk about bringing a bit more personality with highly sought after content. Creating a YouTube channel that doesn't show your face is a really powerful place to be. There are a lot of advantages to being what we call faceless YouTubers. So whether you care about protecting your privacy on social media, or you want to keep your employer from knowing you have a social media channel, or shielding yourself from unwanted opinions from family or friends, or you just don't like being the center of attention and you want to have a creator experience on the YouTube platform without being the center of attention. Well, all of these are valid advantages to being a faceless YouTuber. So you can look to YouTube for great examples of content that is created without showing the face of the creator, whether it's commentary channels, or it's music channels, or it's streaming channels that show you everything but the person's face. And I don't mean OnlyFans here. I mean, like, you can stream chess games where all you're watching is the chess pieces rather than the players themselves. Find what works for you, because your message truly does matter. And that brings us to our question of the day. I'm curious, what faceless YouTube channels do you watch? Do you enjoy? If you have a favorite, shout them out down below. Bonus points if you post your favorite links. Now, I know a lot of entrepreneurs have whiteboards. It was actually one of the first purchases I made in my business, a whiteboard and some good quality whiteboard markers so I could get all of my ideas out rather than on paper. I could get them out on my whiteboard. And the same mentality applies when you want to create high quality, very valuable YouTube content without showing your face. Because let's be honest, I've spent most of my life in school, and most of the time I'm not looking at my teacher's face, I'm looking at the board because that's where the valuable information is. So the same thing applies to your live shows and to your content that you're creating. Maybe instead of taking that camera on your face, turn it so that it's facing just your whiteboard. And you can do what we like to call whiteboard webinars and whiteboard sessions, where you're drawing up and you're giving a voiceover and you're sharing your notes on your whiteboard page, and people don't have to see what you look like at all. Just give them the notes, give them the information they need to take action and move forward. This type of content is fantastic for teaching and explaining. And all you need is a microphone and a camera that's facing your whiteboard. Hashtag no excuses. And you also know what you have no excuses for is if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you have no excuse now. Hit that subscribe button, join us here, become an official visibility hacker. Whether you show your face or not, we don't care. We're just glad you're here. One of the more popular styles of faceless YouTubing right now that's picking up a lot of traction is unboxing and product review type content. Seriously, all you have to do, you can strap your camera to your forehead so people are just seeing what you're seeing, but you want to be able to highlight these products that you're showcasing, whether you're unboxing the brand new iPhone or you're doing a review of a product that works within your business. Showcasing and highlighting the product itself is a great way to take that spotlight off of you. Now, no matter what kind of content you're creating, if you're not showing your face, you have to make sure that what people are seeing and what people are hearing are still of value. So don't skimp on the value. Don't skimp on what people are actually seeing. Focus on your lighting. Focus on all of that stuff the same way you would if you're showing your face, but make sure that you're not skimping out so people get that full experience, even if you're sitting there in your pajamas. Invisibility hackers, whether you show your face or not, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in our very next video. So remember, be excellent to each other and just go live, because your people are out there and they're waiting for you.